How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to another maybe and hopefully exciting episode of Fishing with DYang. I'm sure you guys recognize this spot. I fish this spot a lot, and today I'm doing a little challenge. My attempt is to catch some panfish and use it as bait to catch some catfish. Now I don't know how it's gonna go, but it's gonna go. I did bring some cut bait in case I failed. Hopefully they still work. Hopefully they didn't go bad. The goal here is to catch some panfish, keep some to eat, keep some for bait, and use them to catch some catfish out in the river. So with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on the water. Alright, so we're gonna start off right here. There are a couple people by the dam. That's why I'm choosing to start in this shaded area. I don't know if there's any fish here, but we're gonna find out real quick. Alright, real quick. The water got really shallow. My dad did say he caught a couple crappies. Alright, okay then. Let's just keep moving upstream. Let's walking up. Oh, jeez, look at this little guy. What up, bro? Let's look at the dam real quick, see if there's anybody there. Oh man, it's shallow. Screw it. Let's go fish it. See what happens. Need to sell some bait fish anyways. There we go. I'll be using these as bait.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It's about time they came back.
Right. They were off like a whole week.
Yeah.
Alright, we got one crappie. There we go. Yeah.
Yeah, you skipped in pretty well.
Little crappies. Got them. Yeah, this is decent. Yesterday was a lot bigger, that's for sure.
I got a bit bigger than that.
Yep.
So fun.
I got one yesterday the size of my bucket here. Look at this one. Yeah. That's a decent one.
That's about the size that I
Yeah,
have.
that's a decent one right there. Good pan fryer.
I don't really eat fish.
Hey, your rod, bro, is dancing. Gonna go check up on it. It bent real hard. Look, it's going, it's going. Oh, I think he's got it. Yeah, he's got it. He's got it, bro. Nice, bro.
He's over by you.
Yep. Yeah, I see him. What is it? Oh, it's a largemouth. Dude, you got a largemouth. Oh, it's a nice bass, dude.
Biggest bass that I've ever caught. That's the biggest bass I've ever
Check it out. Wow, look at that. Good catch,
caught.
man.
Scale?
Huh? No, I'm good. I'm good. Oh, here we go. Yeah.
Right out here, that's where they are.
Nice little crappie. But we use them for cut bait. So, oh, there we go. That's a decent one. Yeah. Look at that right there. It's all fun size. Great for cut bait.
Catching anything is fun.
Huh?
Catching anything is fun.
Yeah. There we go. Oh yeah. Whoa, as soon as it fell. Yep, these are the guys right here. Perfect for cut bait. Alright, we're gonna put a little bobber on. See if that makes a difference. I'm sure it will, but I didn't want to use a bobber only because it takes the fun out of it, you know? You pretty much just stare at it. Plus, sometimes that's what you gotta do. Oh, that's a nice fish. That's a nice fish. Oh, that's a nice crappie. Yeah. Took my bobber down fast. Not bad, not bad. I'll take it. Just millions of these little guys, so I don't feel bad. Dude smoked it too. There we go. So tiny. They're great for cut bait. There we go. Getting better. Real stocky too in the back. Oh jeez. Really stocky fish. Oh, I got one. Oh, no, that was a nice fish. Oh, I didn't think that was a nice fish. I don't know what that was. Dude, it's either largemouth or a big crappie. Crap, I did not know there was a fish on there. Shoot. Salty. Maybe they moved. Definitely gonna try the island one more time because... Oh, there we go. We got one. We got a victim. We got... Oh, it's a bluegill. No, no, no. You're good, Cubby. Come back, come back, come back. Come back. Oh, no, and he's gone. So fast. Lightning fast. And that's it. Alright guys, so I made it to the island here. We're gonna sit here and wait, see if there's any catfish activity. So far, nothing. So we'll see how this goes. Stay tuned. I see my rod moving, but it could just be carp running over the line. What the hell? Yeah, my line is real straight now. Oh my gosh, this is... I'm nervous right now. I'm not going crazy, guys. I saw my line move. Something just touched it. I wasn't crazy. Something's touching it. Gosh, this one's going off. Go, 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 go. Pull it, pull it. Pull it, pull it, pull it. Come on, take it. This one went off. Just take the whole thing. Oh, jeez. It's on. I got him. That's a big fish. That's a big fish. That's a big fish. Oh shit. Pull my backpack down. There we go. What a mess. I got the fish, guys. Oh my gosh. Holy smoke. What is this? Oh, it's a catfish. It's a big old catfish. Oh, nice. Oh, yes. Oh my gosh, finally. Holy cow, guys, check that out. It's a nice cat right there. Jeez. Alright guys, there it is. Nice channel cat for you guys. Woo! Sure, my other rod doesn't go off, but there he goes. Channel catfish. Back into the water goes. Look how dirty he got too. Holy cow, off with the cut bait crappie head. He just annihilated. That's a wrap, guys. That is it. We are out of here. Park closes at 10, so well, that's fun while it lasts, guys. No closure here. Just gonna walk back and see you guys on the next episode. So again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.